Hey y'all, I wanted to make a correction. So I've been working in this fairy journal. Okay, and the images that I've been using, I said were from this Fairy Garden Set 1 kit. And I am using images from this kit. This is from Tailor Made Journals over on Etsy. But I am also mixing in some images from her Once Upon a Fairy Tale kit that is also available over on her Etsy shop. So if you went to this kit and tried to find all of the images that I'm using, that is why, because I did pull some images from this kit as well. Without realizing it, I had them mixed in, but I can't say that I'm sorry for doing that. I love the images in both of these kits. So today I am going to work on this page and the back cover. So on this page, I am choosing to use this quote from Adamo prints and this image from Tailor Made Journals. And what I want to do is create a side pocket here where I can put something in here and pull it out. And then I am also going to, I think I'm going to put this on this side. Am I? Yes, I am. I'm going to put this on this side so that I can pull something out from here. So I'm going to glue on 3 sides of this. It just started thundering and lightning. Well, lightning, just started thundering and raining in my area, which I'm happy about because I just talked to my water well guy, and we haven't had much rain. So hopefully we get enough rain that those of us in the county that are having water well issues or had water well issues this summer can get a little bit of relief from the drought. So I'm going to glue this here and have a pocket on this side. And then I'm going to glue this one on this side. Oh, I printed these on copy weight paper, so I backed them, most of them, onto book pages. The quotes, most of them I printed on cardstock. So if you're working with thin paper, this is where using up your book pages from other projects comes in really handy, or if you need a cheap alternative to printing everything onto cardstock, back your pages onto book pages. Okay. Now I'm holding this up because I want to leave just a tiny gap so that when I put the rest of the signature in here, the pages don't cover up the image. Okay, so now I can put something inside here. This is where your file folders with the tabs or something with a tab would be cute to pull out. Okay, then on this side, I'm going to use this image from Tailor Made Journals. And then I have another quote from Adamo prints, which these are fairy quotes from their shop over on Etsy. Let me pull this off of here. And I'm going to just glue this on this side. It was a little bit of an embellishment. Okay. And then on this side, I think I'm just gonna glue on this side and the bottom so that I have a good size tuck spot to put something larger in on this back cover. Oops. And the reason why I'm not going all the way to the edge with some of these images is because I want to leave a little bit of room to add lace or trims, or maybe where you have cut off pages you can come in and add, or washi tape. You can add a little bit of decoration to these pages. Okay, so I have kept all my scraps. So this is where I'm at now. And I think that I'm going to decorate some of the inside of this one before I decorate the cover. So if you're interested, go check out their printable digitals over in their shops. And you guys have a good afternoon, and I'll be back soon with another video. Thanks for watching, y'all.